And us from Plus Technology, and we have just completed another installation of our system in Ottasona Estate, somewhere in Lekki. And this is what we have just completed, the installation. And as our custom, we will use this video to test how the system works or show you how the system works. And as we've always mentioned, you simply use your remote to start your diesel generator like it is here. Now let me show you from my hands now. You will see the remote control. As you can see, I'm clicking on it to start that generator in front there. I've clicked on it one touch. Now notice the generator has come on, and then you will notice the changeover as well. It will switch on to generator automatically in a few seconds. Excellent. So what has happened now is light has transferred into the house automatically with this remote. So what happens normally is that from inside the house, as we give this remote to the owner of this system installed, he can start it from even inside his bedroom. He doesn't have to come outside at all. So it saves him the stress, especially at night. We discussed with them and they said here, they make sure that their generator goes off around 11:30 at night. So it works perfectly for them because they don't have to come outside at all. And sometimes I was told that sometimes they have to look for somebody, even the gateman, to come from the gate to come and switch off the generator at night. So with this system, that has come to an end. All they need to do is operate it with the remote control like this, and they save themselves all that trouble. And of course, they manage diesel as a result. So if you haven't installed this system, you can call on the person that gave you this video so that you can have yours installed and enjoy the maximum benefit that you can get from installing this amazing system. Thanks.